All right, ready?
Yep. Rolling.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, welcome everybody to Hamara Blog Capella episode. We have not named it yet, but I've got Manu, and I thought the idea would be, that's good, that we would come, we would get a haircut, and I do this with so many people, and I'm really, really close to Manu through his whole journey, and I thought, what better way to start than with you.
Let's go, bro.
Welcome to the show. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with a consultation of the haircut, and then we're just going to start moving through there. Okay? Okay.
I want to keep it a bit neater.
Okay.
Sense mein piche se.
Okay.
But I want to go a bit short, like. 'cause
Shorter than last time? Or-
Maybe yeah.
And you found it like you want to go shorter up here or shorter on the side over here?
Yeah,
I think ये भी सही लग रहा है वैसे.
तू बता bro, ये मुझे नहीं पता. This is.
I think ये वाला जो हिस्सा है is quite round from over here.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
And so because of that, it's looking a little bit like that Lego. You know what I mean when you place the Lego.
Un-Lego me, bro.
Yeah.
Please.
So I think we can really kind of reduce the weight from here.
Fit है.
Or but is this what bothers you, or you don't know what really bothers you and you're leaving it up to?
Like this does kind of bother me because वही जो कह रहे हैं ना वो गोल सा हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी फिर like within like 3 to 4 weeks of the haircut like
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So I want कि like थोड़ा सा weight कम हो, थोड़ा सा like shape जो है ना थोड़ी define हो.
And you
ऐसे.
still like that kind of textured
Yeah, I like that
finish?
for sure.
Yeah.
Not
And
like
then on a
full-
daily basis, this is how you rock. This is how you rock the hair, right? Like you don't really put anything inside it. So
I
you
don't
want something with just.
I'd rather not. Like,
Yeah, and you have no issues with it kind of falling down a little bit on the forehead or whatever.
Yeah, I don't as long as it's shorter than this. Like.
ठीक है सही है और ये तो मैं we get rid of all of this
yes,
we tried it
yeah.
but can I tell you कि I was with Nadir the fashion photographer
NFK.
yeah. And he was like, bro, I met Manu and I was like, shit, he's really, and like I think he asked you like who did, like you're looking really good, and he's like, oh, you mentioned me. And he was like, he's looking really good, this, that, Diego. And I think we should do a fashion shoot with him and all
Yeah,
that.
let's go, bro.
Yeah. So let's do it, bro. I think we're getting there, man. Ice creams.
Yes, bro.
PJs. All right. So I think we'll take off about, this is a bit more than, how long has it been?
I think it's been a couple of months. Yeah.
Couple of months.
I think so. 1.5 महीना तो.
नहीं, last time we were discussing your album.
We were discussing this.
We were discussing
What we're doing today.
Yeah, but I think Talal's album
Had not come out yet. No,
Yeah, and so how long has it been Talal's album?
I think almost a month.
So it's been like a month and a half, 2 months.
Yeah.
ठीक है सही है. So we take off about that much.
सही है.
No, I'm just saying because hair grows about half an inch a month,
Yeah.
right? So you just kind of judge from there कि किस तरह करना है. ठीक है ना? Right. So we go for the shampoo.
Let's go.
And we'll be back here in just a second.
Ese no que viene la diversión.
The PJ segment.
Okay, so we're just gonna put some sea salt spray into the hair because obviously we want that kind of textured look. Manu likes it textured.
Manu likes it textured.
So you've never been to the salon, huh?
नहीं हाँ मैं यहाँ पहली दफा आ रहा हूँ.
So this is a new concept that we've started, and we're here in phase 5. And the concept is that we wanted to do kind of, with the way the economy is going and all of that stuff, we wanted to create something which was slightly more accessible to people. So basically affordable. So whereas in Tuningai everything is imported, and we realized that we need to kind of move away with that. So where we save the money from is that so all of this is made in Pakistan. Everything that you see, like all the furniture, all of the things, all of the chairs, we like sat down with suppliers from Faisalabad. We made molds. So the first salon cost a bit of money, but now from here onwards, So we wanted to give that premium effect, but use as much local products and services as we
Support
can.
local, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Support local, bro. That's the future.
Yes. We traveling चल रही है.
Yeah, man, I just got back from Dubai.
Okay.
I was in London. Before I was in London, we took the team there.
अच्छा हाँ वो कैसा था यार?
यार वो बड़ा मज़ेदार था. वो Imtiaz, who's one of the owners of this salon. 2 days before reaching, we got an email from Airbnb saying that the apartment that you've chosen has bed bugs.
Okay, पेरिस में था ये
ये अब वो उसी टाइम पे हो रहा था. Basically वो पेरिस वाले टाइम पे हो रहा था, and it has bed bugs. And now I have freaking like 8-10 people with me who don't have a place to stay. And obviously 2 days before, to find a 5-bedroom Airbnb in London was like impossible, right? So I was like, क्या कर सकते हैं, you know? And he's like, the only other option is that we can get 3 2-bedroom apartments. So I was like, that's crazy because these people, A, it's going to be expensive, and B, these people have never, like, a lot of them have, but there were a lot who had never left. So हम उधर पहुंचे, and you wouldn't be able to fit into the apartment because the ceiling was so low. Oh man, what a you know what are you gonna do, dude? Anyways, we hustled it through and all of this stuff, and it was a lot of fun.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
And then I got back, and we went to
दुबई.
yeah, we went to Dubai, and that was really good because we wanted to kind of launch our own. So we've launched our own kind of pedicure. Oh, we launched our new pedicure line, by the way, which I need you to come and try out.
बहुत
It is next level. This whole import business and all of that stuff.
वो भी local.
वो भी यार मैं आपको बताऊं, you will not believe. So it took us 2.5 years to manufacture. And we've partnered up with, so we've got like pharmaceutical standards. So we've partnered up with the pharmaceutical. We invested with them in the kind of machines or whatever it is. But we wanted to keep it in a space which was pharmaceutical standard, you know. For example, like in a pharmaceutical place, you can't have any corners on the thing because dust collects there. So when you're creating a cream, you know, if you wanted to have it in that pharmaceutical thing, your room has to have like certain amount of germ things, and like you need an air purifier. You can't have any corners. So वो हमारे लिए करना बहुत मुश्किल था. When Corona happened and there was nothing to do, I took a course in hair care and skincare manufacturing. So my sister and we came up with the formulations. We came up with benchmarks. Brother's been hustling, bro. Brother's been hustling. So we came up with our own formulations, and then like small things like, oh, the cream is too runny or the exfoliator is too thick. They helped us because they had their own in-house. But obviously they were used to making medicine, so they really needed our input as well.
Okay.
And this is with me taking like जो हमारा हक का profit है, you know what I mean? And I felt bad charging more because I was like, I can't take more profit than this. It's going to be ridiculous, you know what I mean? So we are now retailing that same care for 14,500 rupees, which makes me think that these brands that are coming from like how much money are these guys making?
सही बात.
So we're doing it guerrilla style, and we've had like a great response. I mean, it's still. So we were in Dubai. There was an exhibition over there. So we were just kind of like, because now we saw what we could do. So now we're all like hyped up and shit, you know. So we're like, okay, what are the scents? So small things, the stuff that like, so you know, some stuff Pakistan doesn't make like really high quality scent. So as much local as we can use, we're using. तो पहले क्या होता था कि दुबई का जो सैलरीज में डिफरेंस आती थी वो 40-50 हज़ार रुपये अगर कन्वर्ट ना विद द कन्वर्जन, तो हमारे लोग सोचते थे कि यार 40-50 हज़ार रुपये के लिए मैं अपने घर छोड़ के जाऊँ, मैं फैमिली छोड़ के जाऊँ. But because the rupee has devalued so much, that same 40-50 हज़ार is now is 1,50,000 rupees. So that is a huge amount for someone, and like. The thing is, I don't have the heart, like I don't have an argument for them to stay even, you know what I mean? Like, and whoever works with me, the thing is, I wish them the best, you know what I mean? I'll always stop them from something which is not in their interest, because sometimes all that glitters is in gold, and people keep offering them like these stupid things. So I went to London, and I was having a meeting with Sasha Mascolo, who's Tony's daughter.
Okay.
And
अच्छा, there's actually a Tony.
Yeah, there is.
It's a concept है किसी Tony का.
It's not just
guy भी है.
There's a guy as well.
यार ना करो.
I swear. There's a guy as well, you know, PJs. We have a joke.
Side joke.
When we first started, when I first started working with Manu, और हम like shoot कर रहे थे, I think Coke Studio था कुछ और रात के 2 बजे थे, मैंने बोला यार, it wasn't Coke Studio. I don't know what we were doing, okay? क्या कर रहे थे? And then the whole thing was like, क्या था that you know we need to come to a point where we actually have private jets. And I was like, man, if you don't get a private jet, there's no way I'm going to get a private jet because my career is of people like
मेरे पे
तो मैंने बोला यार तू पहले private jet ले ले ताकि मैं
नहीं ब्रो अभी रियाद वाले उससे आई थिंक मेरे पे भी आगे प्रेशर थोड़ा सा
चले फिर मैं हैकर के लिए अपने पीजे पे बुला
एग्जैक्टली यार मानू मैं भेज रहा हूँ जहाज आ जाओ 2 बजे
आजा
आज तो चाहिए था जहाज जितना रश था
Man, yesterday I was shooting, and we were shooting in the Purana. You know, there's this really nice girls' college in the walled city, and we were shooting there. And on the way back, I passed out on Sherpa Bridge, out. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो सुबह 6 बजे शूट कर रहे थे रात, you know. और मैं 1.5 घंटे बाद उठाऊँ, और we had moved maybe like 4 kilometers. Oh my God. So what have you been up to?
यार I've been working on my album वही जो पिछली दफा भी नहीं कुछ गाने सुनाए थे मैंने
Man, they're so sick. I cannot tell you, they're so sick. And this is why I decided to have the podcast because like the world needs to know, dude. You know, I've been an amazing, a great fan of your work from the beginning and all of this
Day
stuff.
one, yes.
From day one, big supporter. You know, मैंने बोला ये कौन है लड़का?
Pop running laps like I'm zoomy. Tall boy तुम ऊपर से सब लगते मुझे puny. Truly. मैं कैसे ना करूँ तारीफें अपनी all my shit is groovy. Shit is gloomy. बाकी शर्मिंदा होते चले गए मैं आया यहाँ जूही मेरी बातें जैसे सुई चुभे इन्हें इनकी टूई पे I think I'm going numb chloroform वाली रुई पे ये मुँह के fire and I'm the only one who's doing it ये paranoid एकदम बोले कोई है तुम जैसे डिपर मेरे लौंडे हाई बीम मैं टीम का स्किपर मारूं स्लिपर रग राय दी मैं बैठा करता रहता इन लफ्जों से टाइट ची तू खाएगा चित्तर कड़वे फीस्टें ऑन लाइची फ्लॉप दिस GI Joe and I'm on the street kill yes I know and again हम थे पर हम PI वो flying PI ये till I peak my growth
कहने का मकसद यही था कि लाइक तब से ये आइडिया पूरा था एल्बम का कि लाइक एक ये करनी है उसका ये नाम होगा उसका ये कॉन्सेप्ट होगा
Man, ये देख ले ये विजन है. This is manifestation, right? Like आपके पास एक विजन है जब से आपने पहला mixtape निकाला, and now, touch wood, mashallah. But I mean that's amazing, dude. Man, you know what I think? I think like there are 2 kinds of people, right? One kind of
Words of wisdom.
Yeah, there are 2 kinds
About
of
to
people.
drop.
Yeah.
Let's
One kind of person when he like gets into trouble or was यार ऊपर जादू हो गया और क्या हो गया and they kind of give up. And the other kind of person is like, okay, let's work through this, you know. And like, as an entrepreneur myself, also like, I cannot tell you every day is like, I'm scared कि यार आज ये वाले दिन अच्छे जा रहे हैं, you know, कि अभी अगला दिन हाँ डरा हुआ तो like
इतना अच्छा जा रहा है कि कुछ तो होने वाला है
yeah, you know. And I've realized now after 41 years of living my life, यही सीन है जिंदगी का.
यही है
हाँ 2 minutes.
हाँ तो वो निकल गया है और अब मैं लाइक
How did it do? How was the response? Have you gone live with it?
यार अभी no I haven't gone live with it because it's a really long song.
It's not that long.
It's really long.
Really?
It's like 4
But when you
minutes.
listen to it,
For a
you don't-
song that's called 2 minutes, it's 4 minutes.
But now, like you were telling me that on your live shows, now you started kind of like doing that whole remixing into one into another, and
यार हाँ I'm also doing like newer versions of old songs like मतलब एक गाना था मेरा हसन और दलाल के साथ प्यार है इसलिए एक बड़ा एक chill सा lo-fi टाइप गाना था उसका मैं एक house remix बजाता हूँ like मतलब उस पे shows पे and that's how I start my set तो इस तरह की चीजें कर रहा हूँ.
So should we listen to 2 minutes? Can we listen to? Has everybody listened to 2 minutes?
Sad songs.
I like it, dude.
हाँ it's like a उस गाने का सारा कॉन्सेप्ट यही था कि लाइक क्या नाम है
2 minutes, bro.
सारा कॉन्सेप्ट उसका यही था कि लाइक एटलीस्ट म्यूजिकली एंड विजुअली आई वांटेड कि क्या नाम है, just to like sort of pay tribute to जो tribute क्या raise awareness about smog in Lahore and how like मतलब हमारे मतलब मेरे बचपन का एक बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग हिस्सा होता था कि नवंबर में आके लाइक एंड में जाके जब फॉग आती थी ना तो लाहौर की लाइक एक सीन होता था, एक स्मेल होती थी, एक लाइक दिस जस्ट दिस सेंस ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट इज वेल कि अच्छा ठंड आ गई और अब वो नहीं होता, अब स्मॉग होती है तो वो थोड़ा लाइक उस तरह से था।
Such a shame यार, मैं कराची से लाहौर आया और मैंने बोला यार if nothing else ठंडी हवाएं और विदाउट पोल्यूशन, लिटिल डिड आई नो कि लाहौर वुड बिकम द मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड dude. So this song is about smog.
Yeah, lyrically it's not, but when you listen to it, it kind of always gave me that feeling कि like रात का वक्त है.
The mood.
So visually भी हमने in the video and stuff we try to capture that.
Yeah.
And like बस रात को निकल गए थे, everything was smoggy and foggy. I just want कि like इस album के साथ और इस music से ना एक accurate.
Are we going this way? Or are we doing anyway?
I don't know. But क्या नाम है, मकसद सारा एल्बम का ये है to like sort of like give an accurate representation in some ways of what it means to be a Lahori type.
Yeah.
तो उसमें आपके like obviously आपकी surroundings उसका बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है। मैं एक visual identity of the album के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। गाने इस तरह से नहीं है कि मैं एक लाहौरी हूँ और मैं लेकिन that's the visual identity to like sort of show this what this city has become, which is Yan City, right? So
Yan City. You know, I never knew the meaning of Yan until he told me. मुझे पता ही नहीं था यार। From Karachi boy. You have this kind of like signature Manu sound. You know, like there are very few actual artists, like singers, who can switch between like Punjabi, Urdu, English so well, you know?
Thanks, bro.
I feel that way, you know?
कोशिश तो करता हूँ यार।
मगर ये बड़ा you know?
Vibage.
Sir,
thank you, brother. Cheers. अच्छा कि नई शर्ट पे चलते हैं ना।
चलो नई शर्ट पे
बोर हो गया
बोर
से। ये सुनते हैं। This has बिलाल बलोच। इसका पता है टावर्स का जो सिंगर, एक तो टावर्स में दो बॉयज हैं ना, आशिर और बिलाल। तो बिलाल इज द
So you brought him back into the spotlight, huh?
नहीं, these guys are too good.
No, of course, no.
इन लोगों के साथ तो like मतलब, but it's different. Like Billy is generally like known for his singing, Ashir is known for his rapping.
Yeah, okay.
But this album pe like Ashir is doing the soft song and Billy is rapping. So excited about
so the
that.
reverse.
Yeah.
So let's hear it.
Still I pass out, yeah, medicine पे always whole city on my back now. सब खुशी में चीखते melancholic I'm winning, it's making me laugh now. तेरा time नहीं है बेटा बैठ जाओ, करो इंतजार थोड़ा ठहर जाओ। मारा तू भी शिफा दे दे मुझे, I never gave up, never tapped out. कसम से I never back down. मेरे हाथों में जादू की छड़ी now, तेरे बिना ही लगी पकानी 'cause I put a worse in, take the cash out. Never nervous, pull a band out, see them lurking in the background. जुगाड़ू मैं बेकारी है तू, जब हर जगह हूँ तो मौजूद जो है लोगों पे वो कैसे रखूँ जब अपने शहर से मिले ये कर तू कैसे रखनी मेरे अल्फाज so tell me that honestly what would you do?
फिलहाल ब्रोई का भी सीन ऑन हुआ है।
बॉय का सीन बहुत फिट है, so good। यार कोई इतने आइडियाज नहीं होते।
How did you come across it? Like, what is the musical process, bro?
Like that's the whole thing with this album कि like different flavors होते हैं on different like in different sections of it. So
Yeah.
18 गाने हैं ना, तो मेरी नज़र में वो like वो 3 हिस्से हैं एल्बम के।
Yeah, because you move between like Punjabi and then
Yeah, and then the soft side of the music,
Yeah,
and then the
yeah.
rapping, and then the so उस sense में like I wanted के because there's so many different sides to my music, I wanted
Yeah.
to present all of them in a way that it all makes sense together.
Yeah.
So इस तरह की जो different sides है ना, मैं उनमें से एक गाना like सुनाता हूँ, so that you get an
That's
idea.
pretty.
This is one of like the softer ones.
तेरे सोने जे मुखड़े ते मेरे दम मैं तेरी आशिकी च मैं यूं डूबी जावा, मैं टकरां यूं खावा। एवें गल्लां तेरी मिठियां बने तेरी खट्टी मैं मोहब्बतां दी अग नूं जलावा, तेनू की मैं समझावा हाँ बड़ा मैं रांझना वे, तेनू दिल तरसदा मेरी जाने एक बारी वे तू दस जा की है नाजे किए थे मुझसे बातें वो सारे सच्चे निकले ही नहीं है, मेरे कोल बच्चे आई की है आंसू पिए मैंने आके ना चाके तेनू कुछ दिखदा ही नहीं है, तेरे तो प्यार कदी निकला ही नहीं है, मैं तो सोचिया सी जो
यही है यार। So that's also the whole point कि अगर घंटे की एल्बम है तो आप लगा के छोड़ दो, आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा लगेगा। Songs for everyone.
Songs for everyone.
अच्छा अब मैं सुनाता हूँ एक और।
Come on. तो ये क्या है? ये introduce the song first. What is the context on it?
This song is called Popstar
Okay.
and it's with यार ये मेरा एक स्कूल का दोस्त है मुज्जू।
Yes, I cut his hair. Yeah. Great guy, man.
So
I like him.
उसके साथ like मेरी पहली mixtape भी ख्वाब, one of my earlier most successful songs.
And then he said he moved to America or something like that. Yeah.
So yeah, we're back on.
Man, that's really cool that someone who moves to America. So this is the first time I've heard of like it's not a brain drain, brain gain in this case. Is that it? Did he come back from there, or am I getting it wrong?
Yeah, he came back from there. Then he went to study in the UK.
Yeah.
Now he's back. He's married.
And now this is what he wants to do. He wants to pursue.
I don't know if this is what he wants to do.
He should.
Either way,
let's hear it
I
first.
made sure.
Let's hear it first. He's a bhai ka bhai hai. So, okay, come on, let's hear it, man.
Let's go.
ऊपर की जाने पे ना moving, gripping hand on my chest, it's a movement. Still the same, never change, you lose it. Rhymes hard, what you say, you never lose it. We got big dreams, पूरे करने में मशरूफ. Big things, शाहजहां का पूरा mood है. सुन मेरी जान, मुझे अच्छा जरूर है.
PJs.
Feel है boy का.
उसका time नहीं है truly, never wanna hit it, अगर बात तो फजूल से देखे बड़े ख्वाब है, मैं calling यारी झूठी. Flow classic, कोई आते फली दूरी. ऐसे फिल्म में जलती, full pop star, दिल गाने को भी सैंडी. Good vibes, they try to can't offend me, I just fly high, cause you look like a jet set.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
मुज्जू, बड़ा सीन है तेरा यार. हैं?
मुज्जू का
हम
सीन
तो
है
हल्का
bro.
ले रहे थे यार.
कोई उसको समझा दे कि कुछ कर भी लेना चाहिए.
But because he understood this, like he vibe था दोनों के बीच में, definitely. There's a chemistry there, bro. And now your sound has changed. You know, obviously, has it not? It's changed,
always
right?
changing,
So
yeah.
then how did, like, it's really cool that he picked up, like, he kind of just picked up where...
Yeah, because we're so similar. Like, मतलब हम लोगों ने, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, एक साथ गाने लिखने शुरू किए थे, तो हम लोग एक ही तरह के गाने बना रहे होते थे।
But फिर वो गायब हो गया ना, और आप आगे चले गए। अब जब आगे चले गए, आपने बोला आप आ जाए मेरे साथ, और जब
That's what I'm saying. He's so good. अगर ये बंदा करना शुरू कर देना तो हम सबकी नौकरियां लाइन पे चली जाएंगी। Like,
अच्छा?
हाँ bro. अभी तो you haven't heard his own music, like जो उसके अपने गाने हैं, insane है। तो
But like your like, because I listened to your like kind of older stuff as well, and then obviously you made me listen to that kind of first song. You have to listen. What's the name of that song?
Which one?
Please YouTube his first song.
Oh no, my God. बाद की बातें। अच्छा, my
बाद
first
की
song
बातें।
ever.
First song ever, भाई इसका, I mean, you should play. Just, I mean, mashallah, he's gone. The song, there's nothing wrong with the song. Right? The song is amazing. Just his look, just see the. Okay, anyway, just YouTube it. Acha, so let's come back to the hair. Are we liking kind of the direction of how it's kind of now it's kind of narrowed down there, you know? Do you want to keep?
थोड़े से हम यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं कम length.
कम कर सकते हैं?
थोड़ी
You want
सी।
to take it cleaner from here, like?
Slightly cleaner, because I
Okay.
feel like ये थोड़ी देर में ना वैसे ही हो जाएंगे वापस।
ठीक है।
So
यार भाई आज मैंने हिजामा किया। Have you done हिजामा?
यार नहीं, but सुना है कि
यार मैं तुम्हें भी वीडियो दिखाऊंगा। And I actually feel better.
देखनी
Bro, I am telling you. So, anyways, it's a sunnat sajda.
Yeah, that it is.
And they put it on your back, okay? And then they put one on your head, brother. Like right there, okay? And they say, okay, कि ये वाला point जो है ये जादू और headaches और ये सारी चीजें की है. And then your back points are all for your backache, general immunity and all of this stuff. And where the blood comes out from most is the part which needs the most help. So guess where the blood came.
Oh no.
Acha, so then we're just gonna clean up a little bit from over here.
Yeah, let's do that.
I think we're almost done with the haircut.
अच्छा, कुछ और सुनाओ।
सुनाओ। अब
तो
क्या सुना?
वापस rap shit पे चलें थोड़ी।
वापस rap. When did you start getting into like this rap, like? Because I know that this wasn't like
Initial scene.
and like what was the dynamic of like? Because now you guys don't know, man. This guy has, you know, and his mother's not around with us anymore, but she was the most amazing person. I met her like this once, but I got that vibe, you know. And the house is really cool. Tell us about the, you know, his house is like. His aunt is like a jewelry designer.
My
And
dad's
then like
an
at the
artist.
time that I went there, there was, I think Talal was staying there or someone was staying there. Talal was staying at his house. So it was like this hub of creativity. और फिर मैं उसकी birthday पे गया था and there was like all of these guys. It was such a cool scene.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't his birthday. It was an album launch.
Yeah.
We played table tennis and like it was a good scene, man. I had a lot of fun that day.
Yeah.
But that wasn't. I'm mixing everything up. But
that was the Spotify doc
that was
thing.
the Spotify thing.
Just then table tennis के लिए थी।
तो वो क्या what is the, tell us about your like kind
यार
of
उसका मुझे तो कोई credit नहीं जाता। It's just the way that my family's always been like काफी creatively inclined है सब। Even my mom was really into like lots of things like कपड़े design करती थी एक time पे। फिर like
I remember on your birthday we got that
tie-dye वाली।
tie-dye मेरे पास अभी तक है।
Yeah.
अभी तक है। थोड़ा सा मोटा हो गया हूँ मैं उस time से, मगर it looks really cool and it was. Your aunt is a
jewelry designer.
Yeah.
My other aunt is also now she's gotten into photography and printmaking a lot. वो भी बहुत cool चीजें कर रही हैं।
Yeah.
My dad is an artist. NCA में पढ़ाते रहे पूरी जिंदगी, अब retired हैं।
That's
तो
so cool.
काफी like मतलब डॉक्टर तो नहीं बन सकता था। यही सीन था। कुछ ना कुछ करना था। But everyone's super supportive and like.
Yeah.
Best case scenario है मेरा।
I know that I saw the Spotify thing as well. You know.
Bestest case scenario.
Yeah. And it was it's just such a, you know, there's एक बीच में एक courtyard है which is open to sky और फिर कमरे, it's really hard to explain until you're actually there. Okay, but कमरे हैं And then there's that like the living room inside which attaches to the kitchen, I think, you know.
Yeah.
And then it's just such a cool vibe when everybody's there. And you get, the best thing is like, you know, because I only knew Manu from cutting his hair. So when I first went to his house, you know, this, that, but like the vibe there is so like welcoming, and everybody inside and his friends as well are so kind of, it's a really cool vibe, man, if you ever get the chance. If you're lucky enough.
Not open to everyone. You will not get the chance. Sorry, don't get your hopes up at all.
But बहुत cool scene है यार.
But हाँ, rapping वाली चीज़ यार, I think मेरा वो, it was more like I just started listening to a lot of hip hop.
Yeah.
I'm not like a rapper in the sense that like I always try to do it in my own way. I always try to be melodic. I always like stick to my own roots.
Yeah.
But then I like saying things with a rhythm. I like,
and it's fun as well. It's not like
even with my melodic stuff, like मतलब हमेशा एक कोई rhythmic सी चीज़ होती है. Anything that जो मजा है आपको मुंह से कहने का ना, that's what I'm chasing.
तो फिर ये इसमें भी है यार.
हाँ, इसमें भी है थोड़ा scene.
छड़ देता सब कहना है मेरे सारे लाभांगा मैं चंगी चंगी good vibes pick a side can you move see I pick the good life oh bhai not we lord now I tata goodbye I'll make you do see me grooving see me leaving you and no I always gotta do it I don't even try this ain't a joke shit ain't
I like that
it's alright
I like it
it's alright
I like it.
Want to come to the slow? Hi, how do you do? I thought you had to get my new films so can't do by mind of the one but it's okay please when you got my do that yeah the one that is but it went to do but it work use but it go for do you know that I'm a factor fuck you too I'm on my mind you feel like a movie DJ cinema listening party shit's too groovy feel so fish I think I'm gonna call it a smoothie so cool and do it or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them sweat in a diamond gotta break dance more to the violence no living in fear now kidding and living my dreams now you're out of your place now look if I care but I don't it's alright it's alright it's alright it's alright ain't never seen nobody move at the pace that I'm moving do the things that I'm doing like a home lagi boob aage baith mein tu hai si paani de pure si chhad deti neend it's alright it's alright it's alright
again
it's alright it's alright
so who produced this?
ये तलाल.
You can feel the talal
The
inside
groove.
it. You can feel the talal. Manu's getting fussier and fussier as our relationship goes on.
You're training me to know what I want, bro. Like,
No, it's good. It's
ये
good.
भी तो एक
No,
scene
it's
है.
good. You should know. Yeah, 100%.
एक ज़माने में बस चुप करके बैठा होता था, just letting Shamal do his thing.
Yeah.
Still, for the majority part तो यही होता है. PJs, baby.
Vision to यही है, bro.
100%.
One day he's gonna take me on his PJ. We're gonna fly to like LA or
फिर
something.
वापसी पे तेरे पीछे पे.
वापसी पर मेरे PJ पे.
पीछे. Wow.
It's a good vision, bro. I mean, if you made it this far,
Yeah, you never know.
you know, bro. You know that's the difference.
You know.
You know. If you made it this far, you know. we came this far. We can.
फिर क्या thoughts हैं? मजे के लग रहे हैं गाने?
Yeah, man.
सारे like.
Without joking, like I feel like you're absolutely right. There's a flavor for everybody.
Yeah.
You know, and I have my favorites also. That
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
You know, I'm a big fan of your like the Manu.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I really like this one as well.
चूहे.
And the one with Mujju. Yeah. So these three, I think these three are mine.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
And how many have you heard? 4.
Yeah, I'll play you one more.
Okay.
अच्छा एक और रह गया अभी के
एक
लिए.
और.
बाकी अभी मैं यहाँ से सीधा जाऊँगा बाकी रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए.
That's amazing.
आजकल
You're
यही
doing
हो
this
रहा है.
live. So how many hours are you like spending in the studio, like on average?
यार आजकल it's like 8 to 10 hours a day.
8 to 10 hours a day.
पूरा दिन वहीं होते हैं. My engineer is here from Karachi.
Yeah.
तो he's staying at my place. वो सुबह वो गया हुआ स्टूडियो तो वो सुबह उठ के चला जाता है. He starts mixing ये वो. Then I join him there.
Yeah.
कुछ चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड करनी होती हैं. मिक्सेस पे काम करना होता है.
Yeah.
एक दो गाने रह गए हैं जो लिखने में तो जिनमें लिखाई भी बाकी है.
Yeah.
बाकी are just like mixing.
So where do you get your most like I don't know, like sitting on the pot, like what
Yeah.
huh?
90% of everything you just heard came from there, bro.
That's the place. I think that's the place where you're like, you know, in the
अकेले
zone.
होते हो यार आप.
अकेले आप zone में
zone
होते
में
हैं.
होते हो.
And then what do you just like record it on the like speaker?
Not while on the pot. But
Okay. Okay.
नहीं मैं उस वक्त लिख लेता हूँ और generally I might be I'll be anywhere like बिस्तर में लेटा हूँ सोफे पे बैठा हूँ.
Is it ever like
कहीं
you're
पे भी मैं-
sleeping and like एकदम
हाँ
से?
एकदम से कुछ इस तरह सा हो जाता है कभी कभार कोई मेलोडी आ जाती है something that is-
And is it ever also कि कभी कुछ नहीं आ रहा होता?
नहीं ये नहीं होता. नहीं मतलब just also because आप एक गाने पे अगर सिर्फ काम कर रहे हो लाइफ में तो फिर ये हो सकता है. If you're working on like 7 songs at the same time
Yeah.
किसी ना किसी चीज पे कुछ ना कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा ना आपको. Just giving yourself enough options कि okay I might not be vibing with this right now but
We get back to this.
yeah तो yeah
Yeah.
but ये काफी like मेरे लिए एक नया experience है. इतने सारे गाने like एक project.
But now he's legit. I mean, he was always legit. But like on an 18 track, have you done an 18 track? Your last one was
The
how much?
last one was 6 songs. The maximum number of songs that I've ever put out in a project is 7.
Wow.
So now I'm doing like more than double of that.
Wow.
So
I think then seeing you live also will be cool because you'll have so
one
much
of the
more.
main thing like जो मेरे दिमाग में था ना while making this record was कि चलिए कर ले इसकी वजह से तो कोई आवाज नहीं आएगी. Should say everything we can't otherwise say. Not 1 second. But हाँ मैंने ये गाने बनाते हुए ना like एक काफी मेन चीज मेरे दिमाग में यही थी कि
live.
मेरे लाइव सेट में अभी तक जो मेरे ज्यादा पॉपुलर गाने हैं ना all very like emotional like sad boy sort of soft songs.
Yeah.
So I wanted to like change up my live set and I wanted some energy. Like that's why like मतलब all of these songs that when you were listening you were grooving to them.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
वो
And then,
intentional है कि-
if you guys listen to the two, I don't know if you listen to the Talal tracks as well.
सुनते हैं?
हाँ सुनते हैं.
Yeah.
वो भी बड़े fit हैं यार. वो the last time I was here, he made me hear them and I was like, whoa. And those are my favorite 2 tracks on the album.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
ਕੁੜੀਏ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹਿ ਜਾ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਸੇ ਆਪੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਸ ਹਾਲ ਚ ਅੱਲਾ ਜਾਣੇ ਪਰ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੰਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਿਲਿਆ ਵੀ ਦਿਲ ਕਦੀ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਲ ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ I don't know Loving now is a win but my head does spin goes wrong like a merry-go यानी रात हो या दिन मेरे साथ रहे दिल में तो प्यार मुझे I don't know how तेरे दिन ही मेरे तो मरन तो कुछ भी हो मेरे लिए कर दो प्यार मेरा सिर्फ अब तेरा catch my slip baby damn कुड़ी है चोर नहीं है दिल मेरा चोरी कीता जिद मुंह मोड़दी है दिल मेरा फुल रंगीन उन्हें कीता जिवें ओ मोर नहीं है हाय होए चन मेरे मखड़ा जिवें ओ मोर नहीं है जिवें ओ मोर नहीं है हाय होए चन मेरे मखड़ा हाय होए चन मेरे मखड़ा हाय होए चन मेरे मखड़ा
इसकी जगह मैं कुछ एक और
ये बहुत cool था।
ये तो वही तलाल वाली एल्बम है।
Then we can just cut it from there, ना?
हाँ,
But this has a really good, like, now we go into that kind of like,
शादी-ish.
yeah, that shadi-ish beat. This is what I love about this guy. You know, he can go from like gangster to melodic to featuring someone who's, you know, like, and really vibing with that into versatile, very versatile man.
So one more.
Slate ਸੋਹਣੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨੀਂਦ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਂ دیਵਾਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਦੱਸ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ ਉਹ ਵਕਦੀ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਝੂਠ ਨਾ ਬੋਲਣੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਹਰ ਵੇਲੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਏ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਂਹ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਦੱਸ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੀਏ ਕੀ ਐ ਮੁੰਦਰਾ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਸ਼ਿਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੀ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਸਣਾ ਐਥੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਕੁੜੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਵੱਖਰੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਯਾਰੀਆਂ ਇਸ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਐ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਕਦੀ ਮਨ ਜਾ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਜਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਮੇਰੀ ਸੁਣ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਦੇ ਫਿਦਾ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਕਿਦੀ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੂੰਹ ਨਾ ਬਣਾ ਰਾਮਾ ਬਣਾਵਾ ਔਰ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਦੀ ਐ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਮਿਲਾ ਹਰ ਵੇਲੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕਣਾ ਚਾਹ
मेरा काम तो खत्म हो गया. I'm gonna chill out now.
ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਂਹ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੜੀਏ ਦੱਸ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੀਏ ਕੀ ਐ ਮੁੰਦਰਾ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਤੇ
Who's on the track with you?
That's just me.
That's you? No, fucking way. PJs, baby, PJs is coming.
Inshallah. यार ये तो फिट लग रहे हैं बहुत.
बहुत fit लग रहे हैं. You know, I like the fact it's looking very like you didn't try too hard.
Low maintenance.
Yeah. And there we go. All right, Manu, thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah,
Fucking lovely time.
and I hope you like the hair.
I love
वो
the
हमने
hair.
वो इधर से we've kind of compressed it a little bit down from there जो भी हमने बोला था.
I hope
think we
everyone
managed.
likes the podcast.
Yeah, me too. I had fun doing
Same,
it.
bro, बहुत
And
मजा
guys, man, his album is dropping
Soon. Probably out.
Probably
I don't
out
know.
by the time this gets out.
You never know.
So listen to it. I mean, it's been great having you, dude.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. Always. See you soon.